Imagine waking up on a cold winter morning. Thousands of birds have traveled more than 5,000 kilometers from Siberia, Central Asia, and Europe. Surprisingly, they don't stop in Delhi or Mumbai. They arrive in Haryana. Why? Because Haryana's wetlands provide them with food, shelter, and a safe habitat. But here's the interesting part. These wetlands are not just beautiful. They are among the favorite topics of HPSC examiners. Today you'll master the lakes and wetlands of Haryana in a way you'll never forget. Before we begin, answer one question. What is the difference between a lake and a wetland? A lake is a large inland body of standing water. A wetland is an area where water remains permanently or seasonally, creating a unique ecosystem that supports birds, fish, plants, and other wildlife. Wetlands are often called nature's kidneys because they naturally filter water, recharge groundwater, and help control floods. HPSC alert. Remember the major functions of wetlands: groundwater recharge, flood control, water purification, biodiversity conservation, habitat for migratory birds, and climate regulation. Memory trick. Remember the word wetland. W. Water recharge. E. Ecosystem. T. Tourism. L. Life for birds. A. Aquatic biodiversity. N. Natural water filter. D. Disaster control. Here's a quick HPSC question. Which of the following is not a function of wetlands? A. Flood control. B. Groundwater recharge. C. Desert expansion. D. Biodiversity conservation. Pause the video. Think. The correct answer is C. Desert expansion. Now let's visit Haryana's most famous wetland, Sultanpur National Park. Located in Gurugram district, Sultanpur is one of India's most important bird habitats. Originally declared a bird sanctuary, it was later upgraded to a national park. Every winter, thousands of migratory birds arrive here from colder parts of the world. Some important species include flamingos, bar-headed geese, northern pintails, and painted storks. District: Gurugram. Type: National Park. Famous for migratory birds. Exam keyword: bird conservation. Exam trap. Many students confuse Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary with Sultanpur National Park. Always read the question carefully. Memory palace. Imagine driving through Gurugram. Instead of skyscrapers, you suddenly see thousands of flamingos flying over a lake. Gurugram equals Sultanpur equals birds. Now let's move to another extremely important HPSC location, Bhindawa's wetland. Bhindawa's wetland is located in Jhajjar district. It is one of the largest freshwater wetlands in Haryana and supports a rich variety of resident and migratory birds. Because of its ecological importance, it has been recognized as a Ramsar site, an internationally important wetland. District: Jhajjar. Type: freshwater wetland. International status: Ramsar site. Importance: biodiversity conservation and migratory birds. Memory trick: Bhindawas equals birds plus biodiversity. What is a Ramsar site? A Ramsar site is a wetland recognized under the Ramsar Convention, an international treaty for the conservation and wise use of wetlands. Exam tip: whenever HPSC asks about internationally important wetlands in Haryana, your first recall should be Bhindawa's wetland. Officer's revision. Before moving to part 2, remember these 5 facts. Wetlands are called nature's kidneys. Sultanpur National Park is in Gurugram. Bhindawa's wetland is in Jhajjar. Bhindawas is a Ramsar site. Wetlands help in groundwater recharge, biodiversity conservation, and flood control. But Haryana's water story doesn't end here. In part 1, we explored Haryana's wetlands and discovered why they are called nature's kidneys. But here's a question. If Haryana receives relatively low and uneven rainfall, how does it remain one of India's leading agricultural states? The answer lies in its lakes, canals, and irrigation network. Let's begin. Imagine standing beside a calm lake surrounded by the ancient Aravalli Hills. This is Damdama Lake, located in Gurugram district. It is one of Haryana's best-known natural tourism destinations. Besides attracting tourists for boating and adventure activities, the lake supports local biodiversity and helps recharge groundwater. HPSC Fact Box. District, Gurugram, located near Aravalli Hills. Famous for boating, adventure tourism and birdwatching. Memory trick. Damdama equals dam plus adventure plus Aravalli. Whenever you hear Damdama, immediately think Gurugram. Now let's move to Karnal. According to local tradition, Karna Lake is associated with the legendary warrior Karna from the Mahabharata. Today it is an important tourist destination on National Highway 44. HPSC alert, District, Karnal, famous for tourism. Exam trap. Don't confuse Karna Lake with Kurukshetra. The Mahabharata association is traditional, but the lake is located in Karnal district. Memory trick, Karna to Karnal. Next comes Bluebird Lake, located in Hisar district. It is known as a recreational lake and attracts visitors, especially during the winter season. HPSC Fact Box, District, Hisar, famous for recreation and tourism. Memory trick, blue equals sky equals open equals Hisar. Now think like an HPSC officer. Haryana receives uneven rainfall. The northeastern districts receive more rainfall due to the Shivalik foothills, while southwestern districts such as Sirsa, Hisar, Fatehabad and Bhiwani are comparatively drier. If farmers depended only on rainfall, agriculture would become highly uncertain. That's why Haryana built one of India's strongest irrigation networks. HPSC exam. Alert. Reasons for irrigation include uneven rainfall, intensive agriculture, water-intensive crops like paddy, the Green Revolution, and food security. The Western Yamuna Canal is among the most important irrigation canals in Haryana. It takes water from the Yamuna River and distributes it across large agricultural areas of the state. Without this canal system, Haryana's agricultural success would have been much more difficult. HPSC Fact Box. Source, Yamuna River. Purpose, irrigation. Importance, lifeline of agriculture in many parts of Haryana. Memory trick. Yamuna gives life through the Western Yamuna Canal. Another major irrigation source is the Bhakra Canal system, which distributes water originating from the Bhakra project and supports farming in several districts. Together with the Western Yamuna Canal and tube wells, it forms the backbone of Haryana's irrigation. Remember, Western Yamuna Canal plus Bhakra Canal plus tube wells equals the agricultural strength of Haryana. Before moving to part 3, remember these 7 facts. Damdama Lake in Gurugram, Karna Lake in Karnal, Bluebird Lake in Hisar, Western Yamuna Canal from the Yamuna River, Bhakra Canal system as a major source, and the combination of canals and tube wells. Uneven rainfall is the main reason for extensive irrigation in Haryana. Now comes the final challenge. Welcome to the final mission. If you're preparing for HPSC, this is the most important part of today's lecture. Don't just listen, pause, think, answer, then compare. This is exactly how you should prepare for the exam. Before solving MCQs, understand how HPSC asks questions. Most questions come from Match the Lake, wetland importance, Ramsar sites, and irrigation canals. Golden rule, never remember only the name. Always remember place, district, and importance. Example, Pindawas, Jajar, Ramsar site. Question 1. Which wetland in Haryana has Ramsar site status? A. Damdama Lake, B. Pindawas wetland, C. Karna Lake, D. Bluebird Lake. Pause. Correct answer, Pindawas wetland. Question 2. Sultanpur National Park is located in A. Karnal, B. Gurugram, C. Hisar, D. Jajar. Answer, Gurugram. Question 3. Which lake is situated near the Aravalli Hills? A. Karna Lake, B. Damdama Lake, C. Tilyar Lake, D. Bluebird Lake. Answer, Damdama Lake. Question 4. Bluebird Lake is located in A. Ambala, B. Rohtak, C. Hisar, D. Panipat. Answer, Hisar. The Western Yamuna Canal receives water from A. Gaga River, B. Yamuna River, C. Tangri River, D. Markanda River. Answer, Yamuna River. Which irrigation source contributed significantly to the success of the Green Revolution in Haryana? A. Canals and tube wells. Answer, canals and tube wells. Wetlands are known as A. Lungs of Earth, B. Nature's kidneys, C. Desert reservoirs, D. Mountain lakes. Answer: nature's kidneys. Which pair is correctly matched? A. Sultanpur, Hisar, B. Bhindawas, Jhajjar, C. Karna Lake, Gurugram, D. Blue Bird Lake, Karnal. Answer: Bhindawas, Jhajjar. Question 9. Which district is associated with Karna Lake? A. Kurukshetra, B. Karnal, C. Panipat, D. Rohtak. Answer: Karnal. Which statement is correct? A. Wetlands increase flood risk, B. Wetlands help recharge groundwater. Answer: wetlands help recharge groundwater. HPSC exam traps. Trap 1. Sultanpur is a national park, not just a wildlife sanctuary. Trap 2. Bhindawas is a wetland and Ramsar site. Trap 3. Western Yamuna Canal is a major irrigation canal. Trap 4. Damdama Lake is in Gurugram, not Hisar. Memory Palace. Imagine traveling across Haryana. Start at Gurugram for Sultanpur and Damdama Lake. Move to Jhajjar for Bhindawas wetland. Go to Karnal for Karna Lake and finish in Hisar for Bluebird Lake. Now imagine a canal flowing through green fields. HPSC Mains Booster. Haryana has uneven rainfall, making water management essential. Wetlands conserve biodiversity, recharge groundwater, and promote eco-tourism. Interview tip. If wetlands are shrinking, remove encroachments, strengthen pollution control, and promote community participation. Officers' revision. Sultanpur is Gurugram, Bhindawas is Jhajjar, Damdama is Gurugram, Karna is Karnal, Bluebird is Hisar. The backbone is canals. Water is the foundation of Haryana's economy. In Day 7, we'll cover climate. Until then, keep preparing like a future HPSC officer.